Hello everyone, Francis Walsh here again with thedigitalmerchant.com, and today we're going to be looking at the top alternatives to Airbase. Now, Airbase is a leading provider of expense management services and payments processing of that nature. It also handles accounts receivables, but there are a number of companies in this space that provide similar services. Some are more general, some are more specialized in specific areas. So it's really going to depend on what your specific needs are, how big your company is, how frequent your expenses are, what your flows look like, and of course, what your budget is. So let's dive in. So I suppose the logical company to start with would be Airbase itself, and you can see their homepage here. I suppose I'm quite a big fan of Airbase. I'm a freelance writer myself and content creator, and I have come across them now and again in terms of, when I'm receiving payment, the client will issue it through Airbase. I don't hate it. There are systems I've used that I feel are more user friendly, but it's not my favorite in the world. I suppose, to be fair, that's of limited relevance here, given that this is a video for businesses looking to set it up from that point of view. But there are some slight concerns around user friendliness. Also, I suppose it is slightly limited in that it is primarily an expense management system. It is kind of quite focused on its corporate card offering. Now, it does do this really well. I'm a big fan of its corporate card system, and I think if you do need a corporate card framework, it does make that really easy. I do feel like if you want a more rounded accounts payable, accounts receivable service, or if you want a specialization in a different area, it is definitely worth looking at some alternatives. But if you are primarily interested in corporate cards and expense management, I think Airbase, there is a lot to like about it. So the next platform we're going to look at is Melio. Now, I'm a big fan of Melio. I think it really does a great job of catering to smaller businesses, which a lot of SaaS platforms don't. A lot of SaaS platforms are really only interested in the mid-market sector up to the enterprise level. That's where they feel that their money is, and that's where they feel they want to concentrate on. And it really leaves the likes of me and the likes of even slightly bigger operations, small companies, kind of leaves them out of the loop. You're going to be looking at huge monthly retainers and subscription fees. You're going to be looking at a huge suite of features that you realistically don't need. And with Melio, you have the option to avoid all of that. So they have a free version, and they also have a really competent entry-level paid plan, which I believe is $25 per month. And that offers a lot of their best features. So that will include a certain amount of free ACH transfers. It will include the automation of 1099s. It will also include the option to process payments via card on your end, but in whatever format then the vendor prefers on their end, including even check. And there are, believe it or not, quite a lot of companies that like to accept payments in check still in this day and age in 2025. But yeah, I think there's a range of price points there. It's really user friendly. There's a free version, which means you can dip your toe into it if you're not sure and you want to check it out. And it really does cater well to the small and medium segment, and it can scale up with you as well. I do think if you're at the enterprise level, if you're running a bigger company, it might be better off for you to look elsewhere. But I think for a lot of the viewers of this video, Melio is as far as you need to look. I think it really offers a great service. So the next option we're looking at is Ramp. Now, Ramp is quite different to Melio and quite similar to Airbase in a lot of ways. So it is mainly focused on expense management. Unlike Melio, it doesn't have that accounts receivable functionality, but it does have a really sophisticated corporate card offering, quite like Airbase. It makes things really simple in terms of corporate cards, and I also feel like its suite of AI features are really useful. It has really useful insights on your month-to-month expenses and how you could potentially manage these better, cut these down, all that kind of thing. It's not every day you'll hear me saying that an AI feature or set of features is useful and really worthwhile, but that is the case here. One big problem, I suppose, there is with Ramp is Ramp's barriers to entry. So essentially, because it's offering a corporate line of credit, it makes things a little bit difficult in terms of vetting. So you need to have minimum funding, minimum revenue requirements. And then, even if you do meet these requirements, the vetting process required to prove that is a little bit demanding. So it's a bit lengthy. And also, there is no there's no necessarily way of knowing upfront if you're going to be successful. So it can represent kind of wasted time if you do end up not getting accepted and you've dumped quite a bit of time into researching Ramp and doing your application and all that kind of thing. If you have to turn around at the end of that process and find another provider, that is obviously a little bit painful. So on this basis, I would probably recommend Airbase ahead of Ramp. I just think it's that little bit more accessible, and that would kind of be my recommendation there. So the next one up is Stamply. Now, Stamply is very much focused on invoices. It really does a good job automating invoices and automating a lot of the workflows around them. Takes a lot of the pain out of this. And I know as a small operation, I spend a lot of time invoicing and a lot of time dealing with client invoicing systems. And it can be quite frustrating, quite labor intensive. It's not billable work, but it ends up taking up more time than it should. You're not getting paid for it. It's annoying, it's a lot of admin, it's all that kind of thing. And for this reason, I felt I had to include Stamply in this video because it just takes a lot of the pain, a lot of the time out of that process, which is great. As far as I'm concerned, it's brilliant. Now, I would say that it is a little bit specialized. So if your operations aren't invoice heavy, if you're more in need of a rounded solution, or if you're more in need of a solution that focuses in a different area, then you should go in with this in mind. You should maybe look elsewhere. But if you're finding that invoicing is really taking up a lot of your time and a lot of your resources, I think you should at least have a look at Stamply. I think it really provides a great service. Now, bill, spend and expense. So I personally, I'm not the biggest fan of bill. As I mentioned, I am a freelancer myself, and I have worked with a lot of companies and various different types of payment processors. I've always found bill a little bit frustrating to use on my end, and I gather that this is a frustration that is shared by companies as well. So there's a bit of a steeper learning curve here than you'll get with some other options. So for me, that would probably be enough. If I was a company, it would probably be enough for me to skip right over it. However, there are reasons to look at it. I suppose one big one is the fact that it does a good job of integrating both AP and AR. It's not just one or the other. It will do both for you on an integrated platform, which means you don't have to look for a separate tool for one or the other, which is great. It cuts out a lot of time and effort on your part. It means you only have to get set up with one platform, which is a big, big plus. Another big plus of it is that it's quite scalable. So it, unlike, say, the likes of Ramp, that's going to make you undergo revenue requirements and undergo vetting to prove your revenue and all that kind of thing. You don't get that with Bill. It does cater to smaller outfits that aren't that well established yet, but it will scale with you if you do plan on growing. So it's not the kind of thing where it's going to top out at a certain level. It's going to grow with you if you do end up multiplying your operations, which is good too. So look, I mean, as I said, I am not a big fan of it personally. My own use of it has not made me very enthusiastic about it. But if you want an integrated AP and AR platform, and you're not at the stage yet where you will qualify for a credit line from the likes of Ramp, I think there's a lot to like about Bill in that case. So the final option we're going to look at here is called Tipalti. Now, Tipalti really is, I suppose, specialized for kind of the enterprise sector of the market. There's no free version here, and the paid version starts at $99 a month. And really, a lot of the most useful features come at the middle tier and up, and that middle tier and up, they're all priced on a custom basis. Obviously, depending on your needs and the extent of your operations, they'll figure out a price on that basis. So really, it's not for smaller companies. Also, it really caters to those companies that have kind of global and multi-entity payment processing requirements. So look, if this is you, I think there's a lot to like about Tipalti. It makes those processes a lot easier, and obviously they can be quite difficult when you look at currency exchange, compliance, all that kind of thing. You're going to need a tool that's going to cater to that. If that's not you, don't even bother looking at it. Something like Airbase will be more than enough. If it is you, it's definitely worth giving Tipalti a look. So I suppose in summation, it's probably quite clear what my pick of the bunch is. It's Melio. I think Melio provides an excellent integrated service. I think it caters to businesses of all sizes, which is great. And I know a lot of the audience here are small business owners. And so if that's you and you want to integrate a platform and you want to manage both sides of your processing requirements, I would recommend Melio every day of the week. If you do have more specialized needs, then obviously look for a tool that caters to them. I'm a huge fan of specialization. I think it's really important to always find tools that are, built to cater to your kind of needs. And those tools are out there, and there are plenty more tools as well that I haven't had the time or space to look into here. If there is a payment platform that you've been using and you're a really big fan of, do share it in the comments. But other than that, that's all for me on this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.